Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a door lock assembly in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Open the appropriate oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the door latch mounting screws. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Depress the tab to disconnect the wire connector from the lock assembly. Unthread the screws securing the lock assembly to the rear panel. You can now slide the old assembly out. Install the new door lock assembly by inserting it through the rear panel so the door latch protrudes through the hole in the frame. Replace the rear screw to secure the assembly to the rear panel. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Returning to the front of the appliance, thread the mounting screws to hold the door latch in place. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.